Hi everyone, this is Sampath Ram. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what happened in the US stock market and what could potentially happen for next week. For this analysis, I would be sticking to ES futures, that is S&P 500 index, and I will be covering both the market profile view, which is what you are seeing here, and also candlestick pattern view. Since this is going to be a recurring series starting today, the November 5th, Saturday, please stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss an update about what's happening in the market. So let's get started. So briefly touching upon what has happened, let's see the Friday's price action, the November 4th. So we had opened up with a gap up well above prior day's high of 3758.5. So we had opened around 3766.25, and then we had a counter auction towards the prior day's settle, but we formed an initial balance low of 3728, which is exactly coinciding with the overnight session's prominent point of control. Then we bounced back up, broke the initial balance high, then found resistance near the single prints. We still have some left, and that's highlighted in this gray box. We still have those single prints from I think few days before, as you can see, where the massive sell-off happened after FOMC minutes. So we still have single prints from there. Single prints means basically trapped traders. So when a big sell-off happens, people start buying and they would get stuck even in this big drawdown. And so when price tries to retraces to those single prints, people try to exit, and which is what makes price move very sharp. And as you can see, after we broke the initial balance high, and then we didn't fill the single prints all the way, and then sold off towards the settle. We retested the settle, made a weak reference, and then in the afternoon session of Friday, we repaired that, and then we rallied back above the point of control, the red color line you see here, the TPO point of control, and then we closed slightly above it. So the overall profile structure of Friday is a B profile. That's because the point of control is below the mid of the session. However, interestingly, the value of the Friday session is overlapping with the value of the Thursday session. And so it makes it a 2 days balance formation. And I have marked the levels as 2dBl and the 2dBh of low and high of these 2 days. 2dBl means 2-day balance low, 2dBh means 2-day balance high. And generally I try to mark balance levels in yellow color, and I will keep the color codes in the description so you don't miss understanding these charts. So the green levels are my line in sands for upside and downside, and that is why I have started this downward arrow from this downward LIS. LIS means line in sand, and this is the upward LIS. Whenever if you see a breakout of the balance zone, you want to go in the direction, and same with the breakdown. And within the balance, it generally is choppy. So for next week, we are seeing we're going to be seeing a choppy action within this balance zone from 3704 to 3805. However, we have to reevaluate. If it's a breakout, then we have a possibility to retest 3852 on the upside, and above that would be 3897.5. And then for the downside, if we break the 2-day balance low, we are going to be targeting 3693 and then 3665. So that's the analysis based on market profile. Now let's jump into the candlestick analysis, and then starting from the top down approach. So the trend on monthly has been down, but then in this month, the November month of 2022, we did break the October month's high. However, we didn't stay above that, so we fell back within the October month's range, and then we are in the process of going to the retest of the October month's low, that is around 3500. However, let's look at the wait. So before we move to the weekly, I just want to conclude here that the monthly trend is up but balancing because we are still within the October month's range. So let's go to weekly chart. So on weekly, we again broke the prior week's high, but then we couldn't stay above, so we fell back within prior week's range, and then we retested the prior week's low, which is 37.38. However, we closed within prior week's range, so it is a balancing on weekly time frame. And then let's look at daily time frame. Let me zoom in a bit. So on daily time frame, as you notice, we broke the prior day's high, but then we closed within prior day's range. Like if you notice, the close of today is 3779.5, and then here the prior day's, that is Thursday's high, is 3782.5. so we closed within prior day's range, so it's balancing on daily time frame, which aligns with the market profile view as well, which is a 2-day balance formation. So that's about it, guys, for this week. I hope you trade safe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any questions about market profile, or if you didn't understand anything or any part of this video, please feel free to comment, and I'm more than happy to answer your questions. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you very much again. Stay tuned by subscribing, and you can check out other videos in this educational series. I will share the link in the description. Have a wonderful week ahead. Bye bye.